Hi, I'm Michelle. I'm a personal trainer and yoga teacher for the YMCA in Indianapolis, and I just wanted to invite you to join me for a class, a new class that we're starting here called Moving for Better Balance. We're going to be talking about how to shift our weight and move our feet with more deliberate and conscientious movement so that you have better balance, better stability, and better control in all of your daily life. This is based on Tai Chi. We have 8 Tai Chi forms that we teach in the class, and it is an evidence-based class where each of the participants who participate in this class for 12 weeks will see a definite difference in their ability to stand on one foot, to get in and out of a chair properly and quickly, and we see change, and we're so excited to offer this here at the YMCA, and I hope you can join me. I'm going to show you a little bit about what we're going to be doing. So we start with just kind of a basic side to side, heel first and then toe kind of movement, and then we add arms. And each week we add on something new. So it builds and you practice and you get a little bit better each day with each of these skills. Now your awareness will grow, and then we do some diagonal movements, stepping out to the side, shifting your weight forward and back, moving your toes up, shifting your weight to the other foot, this sort of thing. And then we add in hand movements to go with that as well. So we do things like this, and then this. Okay? So it's very simple to do. It's something that's accessible for anyone, even if you've never done yoga, you've never done Tai Chi. I will teach you every single step of the way and just help you learn how to control your movements and your body so that you can balance better, so you can walk and move and step and live more gracefully, and ultimately to prevent injury from falling, because none of us want to do that. So I hope you can join me. Again, my name is Michelle, and this class will be on Mondays and Thursdays at 10 o'clock at the YMCA.